Fair Briggs. From SAS, Students Against Silly Substances. Next to Mary Fair is Erin Skelly. I'm going to be asking the panel today some questions regarding the effects and the disadvantages of energy drinks. So, my first question is, what are the effects of drinking energy drinks?
Basically, energy drinks do just that. They give you more energy. I mean, I haven't slept all night, but look at how awake I am. It's because they're packed with all this natural organic stuff that's just coursing through my system and giving me energy. And I mean, sure, in a couple hours, I might crash and lose focus, but it doesn't matter because just look at how energized I am now, and then... Oh yeah, energy drinks. And just, the more I drink, the more excited I am, and more energy I have. I'm just so energetic. I'll never sleep again.
Okay. While you do experience an increase in energy after drinking the energy drink, this is because you have a lot of caffeine, sugar, and various other chemicals coursing through your system. The caffeine stimulates your brain, causing you to feel much more awake. However, the rush can only last so long.
My next question is, what are the risks of drinking energy drinks?
Cons of energy drinks? I don't really think I could think of any. I mean, there can't be anything bad about them. And if there's anything bad, like crashing or anything, just drink more and then you're excited again and awake. I'm always awake. Just drink more.
Okay, well first, the large amounts of sugar in these drinks are bad for you, and these can lead to weight gain. It can also lead to gastrointestinal problems from the excess carbohydrates not being able to be absorbed into your system fast enough. The caffeine in the guarana also increase heart rate, which can lead to stroke and heart disease. Also, human growth can be stunted by the ingredients in energy drinks, so young children could actually be permanently damaged by drinking them. Not to mention that these drinks are addictive and could cause an irritability and nervousness in a person's everyday life.
The next question for the panel is, what are the benefits of drinking an energy drink? Answer.
The pros of energy drink? Well, there's a lot. Aside from being completely and totally awesome, basically, I can just drink them and then I don't have to go to sleep. Or if for some reason I do sleep, I just drink them when I wake up in the morning because then I'm just, bam, awake. And I mean, it really helps with my procrastination. Why finish at 10:30 at night when I could finish at 4:30 in the morning and still feel just as great? And also, if I'm feeling groggy at school, I just drink more, and bam, I'm awake again, and I don't even know how I'd get through my intensive schedule, which includes procrastination, and more procrastination when I'm just, if I didn't have them, because I'm just so excited and awake.
I suppose that you could argue that these would give you extra energy for athletic events and practices, or that the drinks could help you stay awake so that you could study late into the night before a final or a midterm. However, I don't think that the risks are worth drinking the energy drink, especially when there are healthier alternatives.
The final question for the panel is, what quantity of each energy drink is safe? Panel.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I drink a lot of this stuff. I don't really think there's an unsafe amount. I mean, if you start to feel sick or something, then, I mean, maybe you should stop drinking it. But it says nothing on the packaging. I don't think there's a legal limit to this stuff. It says, I drink it like water. Like amazing, awesome, life-giving water. It's like the fountain of youth, but better.
Of course, this depends on the person and their physical state, such as whether they are pregnant. Some people can drink more caffeine than others, but on average, experts say 250 to 300 milligrams a day is a moderate amount. But once you hit 750 plus milligrams, you're ingesting a dangerous amount.
Well, I would like us to give a really warm thank you to our panelists today for being here and answering these questions. Thank you. Excuse me. Hello? Oh.
I need more, Crash.
Thank you.
Quick, yet disturbing facts about caffeine. Rockstar contains 160 milligrams of caffeine per 16-ounce can.
Compared to a Spike Shooter energy drink, Zoom energy pills contain 100 milligrams of caffeine per pill. That means you'd have to take 3 pills to equal the equivalent of a Spike Shooter energy drink.
Guarana, a South American shrub which contains berries that contain guaranine, a substance that has a similar chemical makeup to caffeine. There's a debate between scientists that guaranine is the same substance as caffeine. Interesting fact. Some people believe that guaranine is actually better for you, but that is false.
Monster contains 10 milligrams of caffeine per fluid ounce. 160 milligrams are in a can, and in a 16-ounce can, that is equal to 1.5 cups of coffee. Red Bull contains 9.5 milligrams per fluid ounce. That means 80 milligrams in one can. Spike Shooter contains 300 milligrams of caffeine in an 8.4-ounce can. It is recommended that you do not drink it if you are under the age of 16 or elderly. It contains nerve stimulants. Not good.
Taurine is an amino acid that supports neurological development and regulates the amount of water and salts in your blood. It is commonly found in meats, fish, and breast milk. Some studies say that it can improve athletic performance. Others say that when you pair it with caffeine, it can improve your mental performance. Interesting fact. Little is known about taurine, so we know little about how it will affect people in relation to long-term effects.
I'm king of the world because I had an espresso coffee this morning, and it contains 51.33 milligrams of caffeine per fluid ounce. However, you drink less coffee than energy drinks. An 8-ounce cup of coffee contains 107.5 milligrams of caffeine. Coffee is a better alternative to energy. Tea has 60 milligrams of coffee per 8 fluid ounces.
Sugar. There are 31 grams of sugar in Rockstar and 124 calories in an 8-ounce drink. Most drink the 16-ounce, which is 62 grams of sugar and 248 calories. There are 27 grams of sugar in an 8.3-ounce can of Red Bull, which is 108 calories in that can. Manufacturers claim that there is no sugar in Spike Shooter, which would mean that everything that makes the drink is chemical. That may mean less calories, but the impact on one's body is excessive. There are 57 grams of sugar per can of Monster.
What will follow are dramatic reenactments of the interviews that we performed on the street of Waterbury.
1.
Hey, can we ask you some questions? We're doing a survey about energy drinks as a project for chemistry class.
Sure.
Okay, cool. Thank you. First question. Do you drink energy drinks often? Is this like a recent thing?
Sort of.
Like a lot?
Yeah, I guess so. I guess I'd say that.
Do you think that energy drinks are good for you?
Yeah, well, no.
Okay. Do you know what any of the active ingredients in an energy drink are?
Sugar?
Yes.
Yeah.
What about
sugar?
caffeine and taurine and guarana and B vitamins?
Yeah.
Do you know what those are?
Yeah, like sugar and caffeine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, just really quickly. Are you like promoting them? Or
No.
Okay.
It's for a chemistry project.
Okay.
Anyways, so do you know what the side effects of these are? Like heart disease, gastrointestinal problems, pregnancy complications. Now that you know that there are so many bad side effects, would you continue to drink these?
Yeah, probably.
Do you even care that there are really bad side effects?
No, not really.
Alright, thanks, whatever.
Yeah.
Hi. Would you be willing to, answer some questions for us for a chemistry project that we're doing?
Sure.
Okay, thanks. So, have you ever, had an energy drink before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Couple times.
Do you use them regularly, like for school, stay up at night, or
No.
no? Have you ever used them like before you go to school because you stayed up really late the night previous night, or
No.
No? Okay. Do you know what some of the active ingredients in energy drinks are?
like caffeine and sugar and I guess guarana, taurine.
Okay, do you know where those come from?
Plants, I guess.
Do you know what some of the side effects of drinking these energy drinks are? Yeah, well, there's like gastrointestinal.
Bye guys.
Wait, no, hey.
done.
Okay. Cool.
Hi. Hey. Would you mind answering some questions for a chemistry project that we're doing in school right now?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Sit down.
Oh, thanks. So I guess have you ever had an energy drink before?
Yeah, I used to drink them a lot when I was younger, but I've quit the habit now.
Oh, that's good. When you had them, obviously you don't drink them as much anymore, but when you used to, did you drink them to stay up at night or?
Yeah, a little bit, but I don't do it anymore.
So, do you know some of the active ingredients in energy
Oh,
drinks?
yeah, sure. Sugar, lots of sugar, definitely. Caffeine, ginseng, taurine, B vitamins, definitely B vitamins. I mean, they don't really use that much ginseng, but they use just enough so that they can put it on the label. And the B vitamins, when you get them in nature, they're really good for you, but it's not the same when they put them in the plants. I actually worked with B vitamins a long time ago. Actually, not that long ago, a couple years. But, yeah, I don't drink them anymore.
Oh, well that's good. That was really impressive. You know a lot about these ingredients.
Yeah, I used to work with this sort of stuff.
Yes, right. So, do you know some of the side effects of drinking these energy drinks?
Sure. A lot of bad things.
Right. Yeah, like gastrointestinal disease and
Definitely.
and some heart disease, and you shouldn't drink them when you're pregnant.
I'll definitely keep that in mind.
Yeah. Thank you. I think that's a really good idea. So, if you were to still drink
Which
these
I don't.
energy, right? You don't. I understand. If you were to still drink them, would you stop after knowing all this information?
Definitely. The more I learn about energy drinks, which I don't drink anymore,
Right.
I would just keep drinking less and less because they're bad. It's bad stuff.
They are bad for you.
They're not good for you.
Right.
No.
Well, thank you so much for your time and for your great educated answers.
Sure. Thank you. So, good luck with the project.
Well, thank you very much.
Do you drink any energy drinks? Really? No, please look at me when I'm talking to you. Do you know the side effects of energy drinks? Really? So you'd say that even though you know the bad side effects, you'd still do it? No, excuse me. Thank you. Really? So you do use them? Oh, okay. I see how it is. Bye. Thank you for your time. I like to drink energy drinks. It's something you should know about me as a person because they're so great. I drink them every day, but they have some bad side effects like gastrointestinal diseases and heart disease and pregnancy complications. So don't drink it when you're pregnant or becoming pregnant or planning to become pregnant. Please keep this in mind that I'm not singing in key anymore, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. But what's not okay is if you drink energy drinks every day. No, that's not okay. Because then you might die.